Hello, all of my art friends out there and everybody else watching. Today, I've got a stippling I was working on here with my Lamy Safari fountain pen. Stippling didn't take very long, and the drawing was done in a very tiny sketchbook, and I like drawing in these sketchbooks because the drawings don't take that long, and I can always move on to the next page and create something new. But things are going pretty good. It's gotten a lot colder outside now that it's turned into fall, and it's closing in closer and closer into November. Halloween will be coming up soon, and I decided to not do Inktober this year because I've got so many videos to edit, and I'm already doing 10 drawings a day, and I pretty much upload a video every day as is. So for me, Inktober is every day, all year, forever. Because I'll always be here creating. And no matter where I go or where I create, you can always follow me and watch me and create along with me. I hope you're having fun doodling and whatever it is that you're creating. And I also hope that these videos help you and give you some ideas for things that you want to draw. I always thought that things that I create are they're so strange. Not quite sure what a lot of it is, but I try to take the time now and again to look at the drawing, try to figure out what exactly I was thinking in that moment, and why it was I even decided to create that in the first place. Maybe I was in a bad mood, maybe I was happy, but needless to say, I've always been one to really enjoy creating things. And have you ever said something and you're not quite sure the meaning, but somehow you just know to use the word? Just as I said earlier with needless to say, I don't know why, but sometimes basic words or meanings I just forget. You ever drive somewhere, then forget why you even drove there? And then you don't remember until you drive back home. Strange how things work like that sometimes, but all you can really do is just move along with what you're doing, and then realize that sometimes we all have little mistakes we make here and there, but just like Bob Ross says, there are no mistakes, just happy accidents. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.